Hey, I'm Megan with WTI, and I got a bunch of awesome products from Bedsure that I wanted to share with you. I really love the minimalistic design of the comforter in the grid white. I absolutely love that it's reversible. So you can show this on the white side or on the gray side for a cozier look. And one thing that I love about reversible blankets is I like to turn over the top half a little bit just to add a little extra dimension when making the bed. This quilted mattress protector has really deep pockets. There's nothing I hate more than making a bed and having trouble getting the mattress pad around each corner. The sheets are a beautiful deep gray color and the materials are derived from bamboo. It is so much more breathable and cooling, and you can definitely feel that these sheets are cool to the touch. So you are not going to be waking up in a sweat when you're sleeping in these. The corners of these are also very deep pockets, so again, when making the bed, it's just going to be that much easier. You're not going to have to struggle with the sheet to get it around the corners. And the pillows are really plush and soft. My son definitely has said he sleeps a lot better now that he has these pillows, and getting them in a set of 2 is perfect for a twin bed because you can use one for the pillowcase for the sheets and then the other one in the pillow sham that matches the comforter. So if you're looking for some cozy bedding to curl up into, I definitely recommend all of these products by Bedsure, and that's my point of view.